What kind of equipment do you need to make your floral design video? Do I need to spend a lot of money to buy all this? In this video, we are going to show you the top 4 video equipment you need to start your online video. What's up guys, it's Donald here. Welcome back to my channel. In here, we will help you to understand floral design with step-by-step videos. And on this channel, sometimes we will do tutorials just like this one. If you are new here, consider subscribing. Nowadays, everyone knows videos are the #1 engagement tool for your business, but making videos can be intimidating and confused. Actually, on my channel, my friend Renato and I made a video on how to take a professional video. And you can check that out by checking the YouTube card or the description below. I'm sure you wonder what kind of equipment you should buy and how much budget you need for that. So let me show you what kind of basic equipment you need to start your first video. A lot of people probably thinking about they need to go buy a brand new camera before they start making the video. But in my opinion, you should look at what equipment you already had before you go buy anything. And then look at the budget, figure it out where you want to spend your money. If you are looking for a camera for your floral design videos, I'm going to show you some options so you can see which one is suitable for you. At first, we have a cell phone as one of our choice. Nowadays, everyone has a smartphone in their pocket. They are easy to use and also super light. If you have an older model cell phone, I will recommend buying one of the clip-on lenses, just like this one, so it can take a wider angle video, especially when you're in a small area. But if you have the iPhone 12 or the newest model cell phone, you don't need to worry about it. They already have that options built in. I have to say the newest model cell phone video quality is amazing. Next, we have a DSLR camera and a mirrorless. Those are two types of camera, basically does the similar things. But if you are going into the detail, they are having some differences in the functionality. If you are buying a camera for your videos, few things you have to consider, like how much megapixel they have, what kind of videos quality it can provide, 1080p or 4K videos. How about continuing autofocus? Also, do they have flip screen? That is really important for me. I want to see myself when I'm shooting the video to make sure everything looks alright. In the market, they have camera price point from $600 to $3,000, come along with complicated functions, sometimes can be overwhelming for you to choose which one is the best for you. So please set a budget and do your research before you go shopping. Now, if you're getting value in this video, let me know by hitting the like button for me. Thank you so much. Question of the day, what camera do you have? Let me know in the comment section now. Microphone is so important when it comes to videos. When you had the video look good itself, but the audio is bad, it is so easy to turn off people. On the other hand, when your video's quality is not so professional, but your audio is decent, likely your audience will keep watching, so that's why microphone is extremely important tools for your videos. Let me show you what microphone I use on my videos. The first microphone options I want to share with you is a $20 lapel mic. This is a popular choice for people who making contents with their phone. Because it's easy to set up, you just need to clip it on your shirt and hook it up with your phone. It is ready to go. The other option is a shotgun microphone. This is my favorite mic for tutorial video. This one is around $32, but the quality is awesome. Two things I like about this microphone. At first, they don't have on and off switch, so you don't need to worry about turning it on. Other things, they come with a mini stand, so you can just put it on top of your camera. This is super handy for traveling. If you are making the tutorial video, I will highly recommend these two microphones. they will provide a high quality audios for your contents. Tripod is a must tool for your video productions, especially when you're a one-man band, you need to film your video by yourself. Tripod price in the market can be from $25 to few $100, so which one is the best for you? It depends on your budget. I remember my first tripod is around $10 from the dollar store. It's not very good, but it's okay in that time. So let me show you some variety of the tripod you can get it from the market. When you're buying a tripod, few things you need to consider. What kind of tripod do you need? Is it for photo or for video? Do you want to travel with it? How heavy is it? How much weight it can handle? And how tall is it? Those are few things you need to consider. At first, we have a Gorillapod here. This is easy to travel with it. If you use it for outdoor, you can hang on a tree or grab on something, especially when you use it for wedding setup. This is fun to handle. The small one is for cell phone or smaller camera. The larger one is for bigger camera like DSLR. I did all of my travel video with this tripod. The legs, we have photo tripod and video tripod. The difference in between these two tripods is the head of the tripod. This one is just a regular ball head for photo. The other one is full head tripod. This is a perfect choice for video. It can pan and tilt. We use it for tutorial and B-roll video. The last one is the overhead tripod. If you have this, you can do some top-down perspective video. For this kind of tripod, usually they come with an extended arm. I use it for my top angle time-lapse video. Next, I'm gonna talk about lighting. Lighting is super important for our videos because lighting can turn video like this to this. Let me show you guys some options for lighting. Before I show you all the lighting options I got, I want to share with you one of my favorite lights. It is free, it's the most flattering light for your video. It's called Lapel Light. Lapel Light is the best. It's the most beautiful soft light you can have. But the only problem is that it cannot be controlled. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's cloudy, sometimes it's rain. It all depends on the weather. For an overall, if you guys have a window in front of you, take advantage of it. This is definitely the way to start. Here we have a LED portable video light. This is easy to set up. You can just put it on top of your camera. It's good to go. The price for this is about $20. The next one is called ring light. A lot of beauty channels using this for their tutorial video. Sometimes they come with a tripod. Also, they have a dimming button. You can adjust the brightness. This one is around $100. Next, we have an umbrella light. This is a lower budget light, but this is very good. I make my first 100 video with this light. Good value and easy to set up. This package, they come with 3 different lights and tripods, only $60. But only problem we have is you cannot control the brightness on this light. So you have to adjust your brightness on your camera. Here we have a portable LED panel. This is super bright, easy to handle, around $90. You can adjust brightness and temperature on this. If you decided to purchase this, I would recommend you to buy a diffuser box with it, so it will soften up the light. The last one is my new favorite light. I just bought this on Amazon. It's continuous LED video light. In this package, they come with a LED light with remote control, softbox and a stand for $250. This is definitely my favorite, but this is huge. If you have a small area, this is not gonna be suitable for you, so you have to put it into your consideration. Hopefully after this video, you will have a better understanding what kind of equipment you need to start your online video. But we have to remember your contents is more important than the equipment. It's not about how fancy is your camera, it is all about your contents and how much value you bring it to your audience. Don't be a gearhead. Okay, that's it for now. If you like this video, be sure you give a like and see you next time.